Payton Myler is a 16-year-old American YouTube star, actress, martial artist and gymnast, best known for her role in the family-friendly YouTube channel Ninja Kidz TV. Born on September 6, 2008 in Utah, United States, she has captivated audiences with her athletic prowess and engaging personality. Payton was born shortly after her twin brother Paxton Myler. She also has two older brothers, Bryton and Ashton, and a younger brother, Kayson. Their father Shane Miller is a stunt artist and their mother Ali is an actress. The entire family is actively involved in Ninja Kidz TV, contributing to its dynamic content and widespread appeal. In May 2018, Payton launched her own YouTube channel, which has garnered over 5.7 million subscribers. Her content includes gymnastics routines, ninja obstacle challenges, vlogs, and creative skits. She holds a black belt in martial arts and competes as a level 8 gymnast, demonstrating her dedication and athleticism. Beyond YouTube, Payton maintains an active presence on Instagram where she shares glimpses of her training, travels, and personal interest. Her vibrant personality and commitment to her craft have inspired a global audience of young fans. Payton Myler continues to inspire with her dynamic performances and positive influence in the digital space. The target audience demographic for Payton Myler and the Ninja Kidz TV channel primarily consists of children and teenagers, particularly those around the age of 16. This audience is drawn to family-friendly content, action skits and challenges, reflecting their interest in gymnastics, physical activities and popular themes like Power Rangers.